And there they go, the X-35 taking to the sky. What an incredible display of power. Get ready for the Al Fursan formation coming right at you.
But in a few seconds. But at the time the visual recording shows a problem, like a technical issue occurred. The safety team there immediately acted and took emergency measures.
We are committed to fostering a strong and lasting partnership between our two nations.
We can confirm that the aircraft went down. We do not yet have information on the pilot.